What's up, everyone? If you're just tuning in, my name's Daniel McCarthy. I am with Smokey Point Distributing. I apologize if the audio's a little bad. I'm in a rental car right now. Yes, we are a trucking company, but I'm in the middle of nowhere, Florida. I don't know where I am, but I'm heading to Stuart, Florida to show you guys an inside view, first-person view of one of the super loads that Smokey Point Distributing is pulling right now. So make sure to stay along, or make sure to stay tuned to this, because it's completely unscripted. I'm just grabbing the phone and I'm going with it, and yeah. Alright, so this is Jose. We're gonna say hi to Jose. Hi, Jose.
Hey, how are you?
How's it going, man?
Good. Here looking at this amazing structure that we're carrying today.
And how wide was the structure?
This one is probably one of the widest one I've been encountered. Is 16.8 wide.
16.8.
It's basically what they call the belly button of a plane.
Man, what do you think about SPD since you've been here for a while?
I've been here for already a year due in March 25th. And every day from the beginning, just to signing up the application, speaking with the recruiter, getting to meet everyone in the office, you see the difference of what a company should be and what many companies are out there just looking for drivers, trying to get you into the door. But the experience here is, I've been driving since 2009, and I have gone through the bases with, well, for the companies that you start with, the companies that you know along the way, and the companies that you hope to get into. And this is one of those. SPD, one of the companies that you want to get into to learn, have fun, and make a living.
It's a pretty good living too.
Yes.
As long as you're a runner.
If you're a runner, if you're willing to put the miles down, and not just the miles down, but if you are customer service oriented person. Because when you get to places like the one we're here today, when you get here, you're not just a driver, you're also part of the crew, helping them get their product out of the door to a customer, and not just representing SPD as a trucking company or as a logistics company, but also the customer. They're sending their product to their customer. Mm-hmm. You're representing also that company on the road and at the finish or at the location that you're delivering to. So you're just not just a driver, you're a PR person, you're a mechanic, you are a hoist specialist, you are a safety compliance person. So there is too many hats that only in one day you get to wear.
Everyone's getting lit up and pulling out. Here we go. SPD Superload. We've got 2 state patrol, 2 escorts, and they are going to be taking us all the way to the Florida-Louisiana line.
Alabama.
Or Alabama, I mean. Alabama, that's right.
Interstate, we go 1, 2.
Copy 1, 2. Left side, pretty good. What was that? We're getting another tree hanging over on the left side. Clear.
They'll let you know if you can move. How fast can something go wrong out here driving open deck or oversized?
In a blink of an eye. You can be looking at front, and in a second you can have 1 or 2 cars just come around you and you will not see them. And people, they're always in a rush. They want to get to wherever they want to get. And that's when situations, sorry for the noise, but this why I have to be a little off the road. That way I don't push cars. So yeah, no, in a blink of an eye, situations they present just out of nowhere. 1 in a million.
Would you suggest other drivers to come here?
Yes, of course. I mean, you don't lose nothing with trying. Especially, if you see a truck in a truck stop,
On the right shoulder.
talk to that driver, asking questions. I mean, there is nothing to hide. I mean, for us drivers, the opinion of other drivers, is very important because you can put so many colorful pictures on the internet. You can put out so many videos on the internet saying how wonderful, how great they are. But when you talk to a driver that is actually on the road doing the job, and he can tell you his opinion, his experience, that's a lot of, I mean, you can take a lot of what a person says, take it to the bank.
So, how far do you plan on, what's your ETA for tonight?
I mean, all the way down to sunset. I gotta check, make sure what time sunset is, and we just plan ahead our stuff.
That's fine.
I know that I-49, that's a long road.
Yeah, there ain't much on that road.
Now, if you need to stop for fuel anywhere, just let us know.
A curve in the middle.
Not stopping. So the ride's over with. Jose is jumping back in the truck to take off. There's one escort. The other escort went to go get some fuel, so